QuickStart has launched a workforce readiness platform named Clipp, which personalizes the learning experience using AI-based adaptive learning paths and multimodal training delivery. The learning experience is personalized based on your goals, the competencies you want to master, and the type of projects you are working on. Your training can be consumed through various modalities such as self-paced online courses, instructor-facilitated learning, mentors, hands-on labs, adaptive learning paths, discussion forums, bite-sized micro-learning segments, AI curated content, and ability to collaborate with your peers and the community of experts. Visit quickstart.com or call us 866-991-3924. Good luck with your learning journey.